What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm really excited about this one. I did something custom to my truck, and first off, it starts in the engine bay right here. So you know I've got custom stuff, but I had to put this on temporary just so I could drive the truck around. I don't even have a shroud on the top here. Really, seriously, I got it zip tied on just because I've been having my other stuff powder coated. But I'm super excited when I had powder coated. Deep stage powder coating here in Indy did an awesome job. Steve's just the man. But let me get it unloaded. We're going to show you how this is going to look, how easy it is to do. Let's get started. All right, so I went and just put everything on the tailgate, just be easier to open up. And I'm excited again. Got to show you this. Ooh. Look how glossy that is now. So it was rough and black. Look at that. All right, this is super easy to install. Let's go get started with it now. All right, so I'm up here on top. I'm gonna go ahead and start these flat heads just to loosen this up a little bit. Don't loosen it too far, but enough just to wiggle it off if you need to. Same thing over here. All right, now, next thing I got is over here. Take you over there. Is a 13 millimeter. I already got it loosened up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and just take that out as well. Simple enough. All right, I'm going to go and pop these loose. Yeah, start in the middle. There you go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take this. And there's a sensor on it. Be careful, don't tear the sensor off. But you twist it all the way around here. And then basically it just pulls out. Twist out, I should say. There you go. All right, now when you get to this part here, it's just latched on underneath. So just kind of lift up on it. There you go. So the factory is out. Right under here is a bolt that goes in, and that will just hoop around. .13 millimeter down here. Tighten that up. All right, now it's nice and tight. Now it's a matter of running the pipes in. Start with the big one here, okay? So you got this piece here. Basically slides around here. I'm gonna take this clamp here, tighten it up. You want that good and tight because you don't want it causing a leak. And we're going to take this big pipe, we're going to mount into here. It's going to come through here and mount into there. So just take this and just push it there. All right. forgot you gotta put these bushings on. Over there. Now you'll have a screw that goes on the end. I actually use these spikes for mine. Same thing on the other side here. I'm gonna go put my spacing on that one as well. Let's go ahead and put the sensor in. Basically, it just doesn't go quite in. You do kind of twist it a little bit. This is basically how you do it. There you go, just like that. If you want the engine to show, have it facing out. If not, tuck it in. I'm gonna let mine show, I think. I'm going to take this and stretch it around here. I may have to loosen it up a little bit first. There we go. One goes here, and then you got that one there.
And you bring me to my knees again. All the times when I could beg you please in vain. All the times I felt insecure for you, and I leave my burdens at the door. But I'm on the outside, I'm looking in. I can see through you, see your true colors. Inside you're ugly like me. I can see through.
So you have two different sizes of these filters. Obviously you want the big one on the big pipe, which is right here. Alright, so, and then these are just simple covers. If you're interested in these, I'll drop a link down for everything down below. Get a lot of questions about those, but get my drill. Again, you want these tight. All right, same thing here. Alright, this you basically just, pull all your pins out, and this just sits on top. So I'll get this right up here. Just line everything up just like so.
Times
All right, the next part's super easy. So right on the side, best way to look at it, that's a 10 millimeter, okay? I don't want you to remove it. I just want you to loosen it up. All right, so what's gonna happen is that shroud's gonna actually slide underneath there, okay? So I'm gonna loosen up the other side as well. All right, here's the shroud. Slide it under here. Lift up a little bit if you want. Same thing on the other side. And there it is. So I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna get back here with my wrench because I don't want to chip this. If you go in this direction with it, you could, in danger of chipping your paint. I'm gonna come back here with my wrench and just loosen it or tighten it up there. All right, gang, got one thing left, and that's to put this on. Bad thing is, it goes right here. This thing comes silver, but I still got to get some little screws put in there. But let me show you what it turned out everywhere else. I'm really pleased with it. Couldn't be happier with the powder coat that Steve, Deep Stage Powder Coating, did. Thank you, Steve. Great guy. But got work to do over in this corner. I got some stuff I'm gonna get made, then powder coated. I'm gonna clean these wires up, cover with battery, and I might even do something different to the battery cover. And I'm thinking about getting some flashing to kind of around the edges. But that's just stuff I'm gonna be working on next few weeks. Want to give you an update. Guys, I can't thank you enough. Appreciate your support on the channel. You know, it's been kind of slow lately, so appreciate if you could like this channel and share it and leave a comment. That'd mean a lot to me. Been a little bit kind of down how my channel's been, but I do want to say who's been out there from the day one, I can't thank you enough. Appreciate you so much. And anyway, if you guys are building something, hit me up on Instagram or TikTok at F150_boss. Send me a photo of your truck. I want to showcase it on here and show you guys. All my followers that will send me pictures and so on. I think it'd be a lot of fun. But anyway, gang, I want to say thank you. Want you to have an awesome day, and take care.
I'm on the outside.